नागसुधा प्रणवमाता भवती अस्ति भवती असि वा कक्ष्यायाम्? वागर्धाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्धप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। You ever heard the shloka, Dadji, Lakshmana Reddy garu? Vagardha viva sampruktav Vagardha pratipattaye Jagatah pitarau vande Parvati parameshwarau. You ever heard, Swami?
I didn't hear that, but
No, a very famous one. Lakshmana Reddy garu, do you ever heard this shloka?
Doesn't sound that familiar, but I would like to listen one more time.
Okay. Vagardha viva sampruktav Vagardha pratipattaye Jagatah pitarau vande Parvati parameshwarau.
No, not familiar with that.
Today we learn that. Okay. Nagasudha Mata, I think you are online. Will you start the prarthana today?
Yes, yes.
Start.
Om Rama Janardhana Ravana Mardana Ramanujagraja Raja Vibho Rama Janardhana Ravana Mardana Ramanujagraja Raja Vibho पामर मोचन पंकज लोचन भक्त जन प्रिय पालय माम पामर मोचन पंकज लोचन भक्त जन प्रिय पालय माम भूमि जनायक भुक्ति प्रदायक भूसुर पालन भूमिपते श्यामल विग्रह शांत गुरु गुह सम्मत श्री रामचंद्र प्रभो भूमि जनायक भुक्ति प्रदायक भूसुर पालन भूमिपते श्यामल विग्रह संत गुरु गुह सम्मत श्री रामचंद्र प्रभो राम जनार्दन रावण मर्दन रामानुजग्रज राज विभो पामर मोचन पंकज लोचन भक्त जन प्रिय पालय मां।
धन्यवादाः नागसुधा प्रणवमाता। उत्तमं गीतं श्रीरामचन्द्रस्य उपरि। धन्यवादाः। सर्वेषां कृते एकः विशेषसूचना वर्तते। किम् अवगतम्? सर्वेषां कृते एकः विशेषसूचना वर्तते। सूचना
Correction.
सूचना इन्फर्मेशन।
सूचना का
सूचना का उत्तमम् उत्तमम्। अद्य प्रभृति वयं सर्वे संस्कृतेन भाषणं कुर्मः।
We all will speak in Sanskrit.
संस्कृतस्य मूलं व्याकरणं। मुखं व्याकरणं स्मृतं। Repeat everyone. मुखं व्याकरणं स्मृतं। Veda is a person. Veda is a person for whom face is Vyakarana. Without face, I'll tell you one shloka. Repeat after me. Sarvasya gatrasya shirah pradhanam sarvendriyanam nayanam pradhanam. So face is very important. So that is Vyakaranam. We learned it till today. Asmabhihi adhitam Vyakaranam kinchit kinchit kinchit. Tat prayoge. In application, in practice, dridhataram bhavati. It becomes strong. Tasmad, that's the reason. Adya prabhriti, from today. Vayam sarve, We all Samskritena bhashanam kurumah. Kinchit kinchiteva. Bindu bindu sindhu bhavati. Evameva shabdam shabdam vyakhyanam bhavati. Adhimaha Samskritam. We are learning Sanskritam. Aham mama dinacharyam vadami. Yuyam sarve bhavataha dinacharyam yuyam api vadatu. Yuyam
All.
aham mama dinacharyam vadami. Yuyam api bhavataha dinacharyam vadantu. Evam va?
Yeah.
Samichinam prayatnam. There is a small line in Sanskritam. Prayatne ka daridrata. Yatne ka daridrata. What goes in trying? If you get it, we get it. If lost, nothing is lost. Okay. Mama nama Raghurama. Aham pandita vruttim swikaromi. Pandita vruttau jivami. Pandita vruttau jivami. Aham nityam archanam abhishekam pujam cha karomi. Pratidinam bhagavad aradhanam pustaka pathanam bahubhashanam karomi. Bahubhashanam karomi. Evam vidhau bahunam panditanam saha melanam jatam. Tat mama saubhagyam. Tat mama adrushtam. Gurunam sakashat. Gurunam sakashat. Bindu matra jnanam praptam. Bindu matra jnanam praptam. Tadeva mahantam iti matva yuyam sarve samskrutam bodhayan asmi. Aham Raghurama. Idam mama dinacharya. Narayana Paiji. Bhavataha dinacharya ka.
Ka means?
Ka what? Charya is a strilinga. So ka is a dinacharya ka.
I watched a Marathi movie. They were saying ka always.
Okay.
So it looks like they're close to Sanskrit.
Marathi that is Khai.
Marathi is a Prakrit language based one. So you may look similar, but it is not close to Sanskrit. Okay. Narayan Paji. Bhavataha dinacharya ka.
Aham Narayanaha. Aham Nivrattaha. Aham Bahu Karyam na karomi.
Bahu?
Karyam na karomi. Okay. Aham Duradarshanam pashyami. Varta patrikam pathami.
Oh.
Anyatra
Bhojanam karomi.
Bhojanam karomi. Nidram karomi.
Abhi.
Kinchit Sanskritam pathami.
Sada hasami.
Jnatam.
Sada hasami.
Sada hasami. Am sada hasami.
Uttamam. Uttamam. Lakshma Reddy Mahodaya. Bhavataha dinacharya ka. Bhavan kaha. Who are you? Bhavan kaha. Bhavataha dinacharya ka.
I thought I'll wait for 2-3 people and copy them, but I guess better give after one at least.
Vasudha Mata. Bhavati ka. Bhavatyaha dinacharya ka. Bhavataha for Pumlinga. Bhavatyaha is Strilinga. Vasudha Mata. Bhavati ka. Bhavatyaha dinacharya ka.
Okay, I'll try. Aham Vasudha Namaha
Nama.
Nama Aham
Paschami.
wait. Aham Udyogam Karomi. Is that right?
Good.
Aham
Rinam Paschami.
no, wait. I'm a scientist. What do you say?
Aham Shastrajna Asmi.
Aham Shastrajna Asmi.
Ah.
Pratidinam Bahu meetings. What do you say? Meetings?
Samu meeting. Samaveshaha.
Yeah. Aham Pratidinam Samaveshaha Karomi. Samskrita Patyam.
Patham. Pathami.
Patami.
Nityam.
Imam. This gives me it gives me relaxation. How do you say that?
Samskrita pathena Vishrantim Anubhavami.
Vishrantim Anubhavami. Aham Prativaram. What do you say? Prativaram? Is that right? Prativaram. Samskrita Pathanam. Looking forward for it.
Okay. Pathami. Patishyami. Patishyami is future.
Patishyami.
Uttamam. Adha Lakshma Reddy Mahodaya.
Now he can try.
Jatam dvayoho dinacharya. Idanim bhavataha samayah.
Aham Lakshmareddy Namaha.
Namaha. Very good. Uttamam.
Vasudhapati.
Oh God.
Vasudhapatihi. Aham Vasudhayaha patihi or Vasudhapatihi. Very good. That is a Visheshana to you. As Rama says, Aham Ramaha Janaki patihi. In that context, in that level, you said Aham Lakshmaritihi Vasudhapatihi. Okay. Uttamam.
Nivasam Kennett Square Nagare.
Asti. Mama Nivasaha.
Kennett Square Nagare Asti.
Uttamam.
Mama Dinacharyam Ka.
Dinacharya ka ityukte.
Aham Pratidinam. Karyam Zoomena Karoti.
Zoom madhye or Zoom dwara karomi.
Zoom dwara karoti. Karomi.
Aham, you are telling na? Aham pratidinam Zoom madhye karyam karomi.
As Narayan Pai.
Narayana Pai Iva.
Narayana Pai Iva. Varta Patrika Padomi Duradarshanam.
Padomi nights Patami.
Duradarshan.
Pashyami. Api.
Bhojanam karomi, nidra karomi.
Very good.
Dhanyavada.
Uttamam. Shyam Mahodaya. Bhavan kaha. Bhavataha dinacharya ka.
Aham Shyamasundar Namashah.
Namaha.
డిటో అనడానికి ఏమంటారు? డిటో.
No dittos. You should explain. No. भवतः वृत्तिः का?
भवन निर्माण.
भवन निर्माण आकृति निर्देशकः.
డిజైన్ అనడానికి ఏమంటారు?
आकृति.
ఓకే. అహం లేదు, మై అనడానికి
मम और अहमेव अहं भवन निर्माण आकृति कार्ये अस्मि.
ఓకే. అహం భవన నిర్మాణ కార్యే అస్మి.
भवन निर्माण आकृति.
ఆకృతి.
भवन निर्माण आकृति कार्ये अस्मि. Or you can say like this also. भवन आकृति निर्माण कार्ये अस्मि.
యా. భవన నిర్మాణ ఆకృతి కార్యే అస్తి.
उत्तमम्.
అహం సంస్కృత భాషా పఠనం కరోమి.
Uttamam. Uttamam. You can tell everything from the morning till whatever you do. If it is secret, don't reveal it. If not, it's okay.
సాయంత్రం.
అహం మధ్యాహ్న భోజనం
Madhyana
భోజనం కరోమి.
That's samanyameva. Pratidinam bhojanameva kurvanti va अन्ये.
భోజనం కరోమి, తర్వాత నిద్రాం కరోమి.
తర్వాత అనంతరం
అనంతరం నిద్రాం కరోమి.
तत् सर्वं कुर्वन्ति. अन्यत् किमपि. कार्यालयां गच्छामि, मुख्य पत्रान् पश्यामि. मेन पेपर्स, I'll see the main papers. मुख्य पत्र पश्यामि. कार्यशालायां ऑफिस कार्यशालायां बहुजनैः भाषणं करोमि.
అంటే ఇది if you are overseeing somebody's work, reviewing అనడానికి ఏమంటారు?
పరిశీలనం.
యా. అహం ప్రతిదినం పరిశీలనం. others work.
Other is other. अन्य work कार्यम.
and work done by others.
अन्येषां कार्यपरिशीलनं करोमि.
अन्येषां कार्यपरिशीलनं करोमि.
उत्तमम्. This is extension of our work in a beautifying way. Beautiful way. Like next one. प्रतिदिनं वाहनचालनं करोमि. वाहनचालनं.
प्रतिदिनं दूरदर्शनम అని అంటారా? ఇది టీవీ, వాచింగ్ టీవీ.
दूरदर्शनं पश्यामि.
and then we make arguments about that.
वादप्रतिवादं करोमि.
वादप्रतिवादं करोमि. ट्रम्प्ది.
यत्किमपि विषयं वादप्रतिवादं करोमि. उत्तमम्.
And I think that should bring it to a close. After Vada Pradivada, then we get tired, right?
Nidra karomi after.
बहुश्रमा जायते. बहुश्रमा जायते. श्रमा
जायते.
विश्रान्तिं स्वीकरोमि.
विश्रान्तिं करोमि.
Very good.
धन्यवादः.
उत्तमम्. भिक्षपति महोदय, भवान् कः? भवतः दिनचर्या का? We are not able to listen. There is some voice problem. सांकेतिक समस्या. न श्रूयते भिक्षपति महाभागा.
Am I audible now?
Yeah.
बहु सुस्पष्टं श्रूयते.
बहु स्पष्टं। मम नाम भिक्षपति। अहं हैदराबाद नगर अस्ति।
नगरे अस्मि अस्मि अहम् अस्मि
अस्मि नगरे अस्मि अस्मि। अहं प्रातःकाले पूजा मंदिरं ध्यानं करोमि।
पूजा मंदिरे इन
पूजा मंदिरे ध्यानं करोमि।
उत्तमम्।
तदनन्तरं
आफ्टर दैट
तदनन्तरं कार्यालयं गच्छामि। कार्यालये बहुजनं भाषणं करोमि।
बहुजनैः विद द पीपल जनेन जनाभ्यां जनैः बहुजनैः
भाषणं करोमि।
उत्तमम्।
भाषणं करोमि। सायंत्रं गृहं गच्छामि।
गृहं गच्छामि इज गोइंग, कमिंग बैक इज
आगच्छामि।
आगच्छामि।
सायंत्रं गृहम् आगच्छामि।
उत्तमम्।
भार्ये सहित दूरदर्शनं वीक्षणं।
मम भार्या सह दूरदर्शनं पश्यामि। वार्तां शृणोमि।
तदनन्तरं भोजनं करोमि, निद्रा करोमि।
वेरी गुड। वी कैन एसोसिएट टू सेंटेंस। भोजनं करोमि, निद्रां करोमि। भोजनं कृत्वा निद्रां करोमि।
भोजनं कृत्वा निद्रां करोमि।
उत्तमम् उत्तमम् उत्तमम्। दत्मः भागः भवान् एकः एव जातः। ओके, भवान् कः? भवतः दिनचर्या?
अहं दत् नामः। How do you say retired?
विश्रान्तः। विश्रान्तकार्यः। विश्रान्तः is relaxed. Retired is Vishrantakaryah. Person will never be relaxed in his life. Person will be relieved from his work.
How do you say
Vishrantakaryah? Vishrantakaryah.
Okay. Aham.
Or Karya Vishrantah.
Yeah, I'm trying to say I'm retired scientist.
Okay. Shastrakarya Vishrantah. Vishranta Shastrakaryah. Anything is okay.
Aham. Shastrakarya
Vishranta Shastrajnah.
Vishranta Shastrajnaya. Api dinam shastra patati.
Pratidinam Shastram Pathami.
Shastram patami.
Aham Pathami. Aham
patami.
Shastram Pathami.
Shastram patami.
Uttamam.
Aham Sanskritam sikhami.
Sanskritam Pathami. Shikhami is not there, like Pathami.
Patami is learning.
Pathami is learning.
Okay.
Reading.
Yeah, aham Sanskritam patami. Aham Bhagavad Gita patami.
Bhagavad Gitam Pathami.
Bhagavad Gitam patami.
Bhagavad Gitam Pathami. Dirgham Strilinga.
Bhagavad Gitam patami. Aham Taittiriya Upanishad patami.
Uttamam.
Aham Doordarshanam pashyami.
Uttamam.
How do you say serial?
Dharavahikam.
Aham bharya sahati.
Bharya saha. Dharavahikam.
Dharavahikam Pashyami.
Uttamam.
Aham Pustakam Likhami.
Uchyatam uttamam. Pustakam likhami. Navina pustakam likhami. New. Very good. Uttamam.
Yeah.
Uttamam.
Aham, like this I'm busy. How do you say that?
Evam karyavyagnaha asmi. Karyavygraha asmi. Karye nimagnaha asmi.
Karye nimagraha asmi.
Uttamam, uttamam. Yadi vayam asmakam dinacharyam likhamaha tarhi uttamam bhashitum shaknuvamah. If we write our daily routine, then we can just talk more. Idanim alochya vakyam yojayitva. Every sentence we bring together, thinking together, we are using it. Yadi eka likhamaha dinacharyam navina shabdaha, new words. Navina vakyaha, new sentences. Vaktum shaknum. Uttamam. Ekasya sambhashanam shrutva dvitiyaha kinchit uttamaha jata. Listening to one's talk, second one is better. Third one become more better. Fourth one become more better. Do you ever observe this?
Yes, writing is better.
So evam kinchit sambhashanan shabdan aksharan yojayitva shabdan kurmah. Bringing letters together, we make words. Shabdan yojayitva vakyam kurmah. Adding words, we make sentences. Vakyan yojayitva vyasam kurmah. Adding sentences, we make.
I remember one line I read while in school. It reads like, reading maketh a man, conference a ready man, and writing an exact man. I think it's written by Francis Bacon.
Yes.
So now we are doing the same. That is a theory, this is practical.
That's what we have to do in Sanskrit.
We are doing, na? Already we did it.
Right.
Kurvan
We're trying.
Kurvan smaha. We are still doing it. Good.
Right.
Adya bhavanta krite ekam uttamam katham shravayami. Ekam uttamam katham shravayami.
Acharyaji, I just have one question, one doubt I need to clarify.
Yeah.
Now in lot, okay, patatu, patatam, patantu, patatam, patata, patani, patava, patama. Okay. Now patatu is third person for sa patatu, isn't it?
Sa patatu, let him read.
Yeah, that's what.
Yeah.
Now, I read in some stories in Panchatantra, okay? Now, he is using lot, this anayatu and tishtatu and all that in the second person. Tvam anayatu, tvam tishtatu, in that context. How is that correct? You know,
it will be tvam anaya, tvam tishtha is correct.
Yeah, but in the story, Panchatantra, I'm reading, there are sentences like, it was confusing me. Kinchit jalam anayatu. One person was telling his wife, you know, kinchit jalam anayatu.
Is it old book or new book? Can I see that?
It is I think it is a new book. I'll show you the book. Okay.
So the grammar is different from the new books.
Yeah, because there are few scholars from Samskrita Bharati.
Yeah.
Okay, Swami, I understood, Swami. Let me tell you something. Then you will understand what it is. Okay. In 2000, around 2000 year, when some scholars of Samskrita Bharati held a meeting.
Okay.
And they decided that it is a bit confusing to read Prathama Purusha, Madhyama, and Uttama.
Oh, okay.
Do we need Madhyama Purusha
Oh, okay.
for conversation? I don't think we require. Elderly scholar, he told that whether from now, whether better we don't train Dvitiya Madhyama Purusha.
Oh,
Let the Prathama Purusha and Madhyama Purusha to be same.
oh, I see.
Few people, not everybody, few people from them removed Madhyama Purusha and Dvivachana
Oh, I see. I see.
to make it easy, because Hindi is as it is, as it will become Hindi.
Okay.
Actually, Hindi is a replica of Sanskrit.
Yeah.
Now they are making Sanskrit as replica of Hindi.
Okay.
To make it easy, to make it clear, they removed Madhyama Purusha and Dvivachana, not required.
Oh,
Because it will be similar to Hindi. Hindi people will be more easily accessible to it. So they removed it. That's why in modern books, to have a good conversation, to easily accessing things, they removed this Tvam Anaya. Tvam Anayatu. In requesting mode, Anayatu. Tvam Dadatu. In requesting concept, in requesting field, they started telling all this.
Oh, I
When
see.
you are requesting somebody, Tvam Tadanayatu, please bring that.
Oh, okay.
Actually, it should be Anaya.
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 Okay.
Tvam Anaya. In
Ah.
all old books
Yeah.
before 1999 printings,
Yeah, okay.
you will see that. Even now, there are few people who are following traditional Sanskrit, they use the Madhyama Purusha and Dvivachana also.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
But few people and their influence is on somebody, those people are writing without Madhyama Purusha and without Dvivachana.
Oh, okay.
You tell me whether it is right or wrong.
What do you mean, right or wrong?
Deleting Madhyama Purusha, right or wrong?
Probably it is wrong because, because the idea of learning Sanskrit is
Originality,
to read scripture and understand,
originality will miss.
conversation.
Will miss
Yeah.
the originality.
So if you don't understand the scripture, there is no point in learning Sanskrit here.
That's the main point. So why it is like this? Because to just make it little accessible to people, but we'll be missing the core. People who learn the core will identify these mistakes. Who will have original knowledge will identify these mistakes. People who just go on, they'll read it. Now I think you understand the value of Vyakaranam.
Yeah, that's right.
So you are real scholars now.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me tell you a beautiful story. Once there was a bird. It got lot of knowledge. It can see future. It can predict. It used to be very happy living in a forest. One day, one tribal man, one hunter, observed this bird looking very hefty. He wanted to hit it. He wanted to eat it. Bird observed that and just asked back to the hunter, "Stop, why you want to hit me?" He said, "I want you to have, I want to eat you." Then the bird said, "You are idiot. I have knowledge of future seeing. I can see future. I can predict things. I can tell everything what is happening to you. If you are a friend of mine, if you keep me with you, I can tell everything what going to happen. Huh? If you kill me, I'll be food. If I'm with you, I'll be your resource for every lifetime." It explained. He felt that's a good point. But he thought some other thing. Valuable things will not be with the common people. It should be with the kings. If I give this bird to the king, he'll give me lot of money, lot of gold coins, lot of diamonds. I will use this, I'll trade it, I'll make a deal. He went to the king. He went to the minister, told that I have a bird, parrot, or some bird which speaks and which predicts future. He said, "There are many things like this in King's Palace. Why are you coming here? Why are you torturing us? You all fool people will come like this only. King is a very fool. He'll just give all the money for the useless things and all the treasure will be empty, filled with all the useless these things. What we will do with this?" Meanwhile, king came. "What is that? What is the argument?" He said, Swami, somebody came." King asked, "What is this?" "This is a bird which speaks and which predicts future." "Yeah, valuable things should be with the king. Give it to me." He took, "What do you want?" "Anything, Swami." Gave a bag of diamonds to him. He was happily taken that and went off. What king did? King will not have leisure time. Nowadays, kings are having leisure time, but in those days, no leisure time. What he did? Gave it to Mantri back. Mantri, keep it in the treasure. He's such a fool king. He don't know how to use things. Always he collect valuable things, keep it inside in treasure. Feels like I have a very great thing. What will do with the psychological feeling of having great without using it? Such a idiot. He took it and just kept it in treasure. Meanwhile, he kept it in treasure. There was a small window. Bird flew away. It is in the sky. Okay, what it speaks? I am the first fool to tell my secrets to this hunter. He idiot is the second fool who did not utilize me, give it to the king. King is the real idiot fool. He did not use me. He might have used me in a proper way. He just gave it to the minister. His minister is a knowledge one, like he is having knowledge, but he's such a knowledge fool. He just left me out. So the entire world is theoretical, not practical. So everyone want to become something without any application. Everyone are fools. The world filled with fools. It is a statement given by the bird. Okay? It's a small story. The importance of Sanskrit is the entire story will be in one shlokam. What is that? I'll show you the shloka. Swami, able to see the screen?
Yes.
Repeat after me. Purvam Tavata Aham Murkhaha Vidyaha Pashabandhakaha Tritiya Raja Mantricha Sarvam Vai Murkhamandalam. The entire shloka is in, the entire story is in one shloka. Once again, Purvam Tavata Aham Murkhaha Vidyaha Pashabandhakaha. Pashabandhaka is a hunter. Tritiya Raja Mantricha Sarvam Vai Murkhamandalam. So this is the beauty of Sanskrit. Now what is Purvam?
First.
At the beginning, the past.
Yeah, previously, the first. Purvam is first. Okay, Purvam is a direction. Purvam is first. Purvam is previously. Or Purvam is before. First Tavat. Tavat is
Me.
I am the first fool, that much fool. Who belong to Murkha Mandalam, I am the first fool. Aham is me. Murkhaha, fool. Vidyaha,
Second one,
Pashabandhakaha,
the hunter.
hunter. Pasha is thread, Bandhakaha, person who ties it with the thread. Pashabandhakaha. Tritiya,
Word.
Raja.
Raja.
Raja is not a word. Raja Mantricha.
Raja Mantricha.
What was third? King and the minister also. Vai is indeed. Sarvam Vai. Indeed. Sarvam Murkha Mandalam. The entire world is filled with fools. We can apply it in our context also. If I'm a scientist, okay, all scientists I request don't get personal, okay? I'm just a story, for example, I'm telling. Okay, don't take it personal. If I'm a scientist, I'll take some project to my boss. There are some typicalities. We need to test it again. Just give it to me. He'll take it. He'll give it to some other superior. Who is not interested in this guy will not care the project also. What he does, he'll just keep it in some other place. The project is dead. They don't see the depth of the project and utility of the future. So people are not subject oriented. People are person oriented or personal oriented or design oriented. That's why things, beautiful things which are to be cared are not cared. Yeah. Purvam tavat aham murkhaha. See the beautiful entire story in this. Purvam tavat aham murkhaha. Dvitiyaha pashabandhakaha. Tritiya raja mantri cha sarvam vai murkha mandalam. This become a sutram. This become a science. This become a samita. This become a proverb. Sarvam vai murkha mandalam.
Charity,
Come on.
there is an echo when you are talking.
Why?
Maybe it's just me, I don't know.
Even I am listening. I am hearing. Due to people like everyone open their mics, na, that might be the reason.
What is the exact meaning of tavat here? Tavat means
That equal to that.
tavat.
I am that fool. I am also fool. Tavat is like to fill up the gap. See, without tavat also the shlokam completes.
Yes, purvam aham murkha.
Lekin to fill the shloka, to fill the rhythm, there is tavat. Purvam tavat aham murkha vidiyah pashabandhakah tritiya raja mantri cha sarvam vai murkha mandalam. Fantastic. Now go to the next shloka. I wrote some other thing. I want you to give the meaning of every word now. What is the first word?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is the meaning of vidya?
Knowledge.
Knowledge or education. Okay. Vidya is education, not knowledge. Jnanam is education. What is the difference between vidya and jnanam, Swami?
Jnanam is wisdom.
Okay.
Vidya is education.
Difference?
Jnanam is acquired after experience and
What is that? Jnanam or vidya?
jnanam.
Hmm.
Vidya is learned from someone else.
My teacher told incoming and outgoing. Incoming is vidya, it seems. Outgoing is jnanam, it seems. We'll have a lot of incoming that is from books, from people called vidya. After getting all these things, giving out in a proper way is a jnanam. Okay, what is vidya is education. Dadati, what is dadati?
Gives.
Gives. Vinayam?
Politeness.
Very good. Vinayat, which vibhakti?
Vinath.
Rama.
Yes, Ramat.
Panchami.
Panchami vibhakti. Uttamam. Okay, from Vinayam. Okay, from Vinayam. What is Vinayam?
Politeness.
Politeness. Okay, from politeness, yati is we go to, we will reach. What we get? Patratam. What is patra?
Character.
Pot or vessel.
Character.
Character.
Okay. We have characters in movies, na? Patradhari, Patra Chitrana, Patra Pradarshana. Character. Patra is character. And Patra is a vessel also. When you are talking about food, Patra is vessel. When you are talking about a person or character, Patra is a behavior. Okay. Vinayat yatri patratam. Due to politeness, we will have a character. Patratvat.
From the character.
From the character. Dhanam.
Wealth.
Money.
Apnoti.
Acquires.
We acquire money. Dhanat. Dhanat again, which vibhakti here?
Fifth. Panchami.
Panchami ekavachanam. Uttamam. Dhanat. Dharmam. Dharmam. Tataha. Thereafter. Sukham.
Happiness.
When we acquire education, we should seek politeness. When we seek politeness, or when we get politeness, we will seek character. We will get character from that politeness, behavior. From that behavior, everyone likes the behavior, so we'll get the job. Only talent is not enough to get the job. Like if you are starting a business or something, if you just conduct interviews, will you check only character, only knowledge, or you want character also? We'll check character also. I did my MBA in HR. One of my teacher gave a case study where you are conducting an interview. One of a talented, most talented person came, and one of the great character person came. To whom you select? I selected talented person because for the development of business, I need talent. My master said, you are right, for the development of business is talent. After some stage, he'll acquire your position also. Then you will go to interview for his company. So if you have a character person, you can train him the subject. Talents can be trained, but character cannot be trained. So Vinaya, due to politeness, we'll get character. If we get the character, we'll be selected in a company, or we'll have a position, or we'll have something we'll acquire. We'll have, other way, we'll get money. We'll get the riches. After getting riches with the experience of knowledge, with the experience of politeness, with the experience of character, we may do charity in a proper way. We'll do charity. Many people will do charity with pressure. Someone will do charity with passion. I know a person in Hyderabad who is an auto driver. Every day evening, he'll take classes for children under a bridge. He may not be giving money, he'll be giving a rich in the form of education. Auto driver, can he donate something? Yeah, he's donating education. One chai wala gives chai to all the people who are under bridges. Like, he's giving whatever he likes. He got Vidya, he got Vinayam, he got Patra, he got Ardha wealth, he is donating it. Dhanat Dharmam, will earn money, will donate it. By donation, someone will be happy, and will be happy looking at the happy in their faces. Happiness in their faces. Dhanat Dharmam, Tata Sukham. One day I'm afraid of, I'm explaining it directly, whether it is philosophy. I think you all are elders can understand my pain in my conversation. So I'm just talking to you. One day, I got some irritation in my brain. I felt little panic. If something happens to me all of a sudden, who will give the properties of mine to my family? Some are stuck in stock market, some are stuck in some other bank account, some are stuck with friends. I give some money to friends, they are stuck with friends, and my properties are somewhere where my family don't know that. My children are kids, they don't know. If something happens to me, I'm not visible to anybody, I'm not accessible to anybody, then all these things, what I should do? How can I give it to my children? Or I can't give it to anybody who are in need? A small thought. So whatever we acquire, limited, survivable for us is enough. More than that, if we use it for other people who are just growing or who wanted to grow, if we help them, we'll be remembered, or my money, my effort, my wealth will be saved in their development. I got a thought. So why to save more money? Some people will just save money unknowingly, not knowing to anybody. Sometimes it is dangerous. That's what. In Sanskrit, there is a beautiful shloka. Like, Krupanena samodata. Krupana is?
Stingy person.
Miser. Okay. Krupanena samodata. A great donor equal to a miser. Nabhuto na bhavishyati. Is not there in the past, not in the future. Asprushaneva vittani. The money without touching it. Generally, miser will not touch money, will not have food completely, will not enjoy at all, will not spend money, will not live for himself. He'll just save. It become a mountain. He said he'll never touch it, he'll never enjoy it. What happens one day? Thieves will come and steal everything. Asprushaneva vittani parebhyaha samprayachati. He gives it to others without touching it. How great it is. Without touching money, he gave the entire savings to somebody. That is great, na? He just, what you can say, sarcastically telling that he is wrong. Without touching the money, as a miser gives the entire worth of his life to somebody, he's a great donor. What we need to do is like, we need to do the charity, and we should live in the development of others. Living after donation. Vidya dadati vinayam. I want you to repeat the beautiful shloka. Vidya dadati vinayam vinayat yati patratam patratvat dhanam apnoti dhanat dharmam tata sukham. Who is the happiest person? Who left the burden is the happiest person. Will be always trying for liberation, freedom. What is freedom? Freedom from burden. What is burden? Having something is burden. Having nothing is no burden. Okay. Being so philosophical. I'll tell you some other shloka. Okay. In the beginning of the class, I told you na, Vag Ardha Viva Samprukta. You ever heard the shloka? Vak Ardhau Iva Samprukta Vag Ardha Pratipattaye Vak Artha Pratipattaye Jagataha Pitarau Vande Parvati Parameshwarau. Ever heard the shloka? Anybody?
Yes.
Yes. What is my walk?
Talking.
Speech.
Speeches.
Speech. Ardha?
Meaning.
Meaning. Fantastic. Actually, it is not two words, it is single meaning. Vagardha. Vak plus ardha, vagardha. Vak plus ardha, vagardha. Vagardhau. Vak, ardhau. Two things. Dual na? Ramau. Like vak plus ardha, vagardhau. Iva. What is Iva?
In the same manner.
Like. Okay. Iva in the same manner. Equally. Like. Sampruktau is associated. Sampruktau is associated. Okay. Again, what is vak?
Speech.
Walk is written.
Speech again. Ardha. Meaning. Pratipattaye.
Reveals.
To achieve, to acquire, to get. Jagataha.
In the world.
Of the world.
Of the world, yeah.
Jagataha jagatoha jagatam. Shashti vibhakti. Pitarau.
Parents.
Okay, parents. Vande.
Salutation.
Salutation.
Vande, vandavahe, vandamahe. I vande, aham vande. I vande. If there is vande, aham. Okay. Parvati Parameshwarau.
Parvati and Ishvara.
Okay. So Parvati is Mata. Parameshwara is Pita. Aham vande. I salute them. Who are they? Jagata Pitarau. They are the parents of the universe. First you should write like Aham vande or Vagardha Viva Sampraktau, who are associated like word and meaning. If Parameshwara is word, Parvati is meaning. How they are? They are associated with each other. Can you tell any word without meaning? Is there any word without meaning in any literature or history? Anywhere, in any language, is there any word without meaning?
No, cannot be.
There is no chance at all. Like somewhere, some poet called Tenali, he just like tapaba, talapai, puvata, etc., etc. But that's an expression, that's not a word. So there will be no word without a meaning. Okay, tell me any meaning without a word.
Yeah, none.
There will be no chance at all. So there will be no meaning without a word. We can't express. There is no word without a meaning. So word and meaning are associated. As word and meaning is associated with each other, inculcated with each other, I Bande Namaste to Parvati Parameshwara, who are associated like word and meaning. Why I am praying to them? Why I should pray to them? I want the character of both. What is the character? Association of word and meaning. Vag ardha pratipattaye. I want knowledge of words and meanings. I want knowledge of words and meanings. That's why I pray to the people who are associated like word and meaning. I want them to be. I want them. Jagatah Pitarau. Who are they? They are parents. Okay? They are parents of everybody. Jagatah Pitarau. They are the parents of the universe. One day I tell you. Now, anyone tell the meaning of it? Did ever, Narayanji, did you understand?
Yeah, I think, just as words are always associated with meaning, I think.
Shiva and Parvati are also associated like word and meaning. They are Ardhanarishwara. They are inculcated with each other. I am praying them to get the knowledge of words and meanings. You know who wrote this poem? Who wrote this poem?
Kalidasa. Okay.
Kalidasa. Raghuvamsha is a book. In Raghuvamsha, he wrote this first poem. This is the first poem of Raghuvamsha. Vagardha vivasamprukhtau Vagardha pratipattaye Jagatah Pitarau Vande Parvati Parameshwarau. There is another meaning to this shloka. The same, everything is same. Vak ardhau iva samprukhtau. People are associated like word and its meaning. I am praying them because to get the knowledge of words and meanings. As if I am writing a poem. A poet, what he requires? Lot of words and lot of meanings. No? So to acquire the knowledge of words and meanings, I am praying to them. Jagatah Pitarau, fathers of the universe. Who are the fathers of the universe?
Parvati Parameshwar.
No, Parvati Pati, Rameshwarau, husband of Rama. What is Parvati Pa? Shiva. What is Rameshwara? Vishnu. That's the greatness of Kalidasa. As if Kalidasa can express two types of meanings in same sentence.
Mm-hmm.
If you associate Parvati Parameshwarau, Parvati and Shiva. If you disjoin Parvati Parameshwarau, it is Shiva and Vishnu. Now you know why he prayed Parvati Parameshwara knowledge of words and meanings.
Yes.
Yeah, knowledge of words and meanings are very, very important. As much as words we know, that much beautiful sentences we can make. Not like Shashi Tharoor. He talks English as if we can't understand at all. Okay. So, Vagardha Viva Samprukhtau Vagardha Pradipattaye Jagatah Pitarau Vande Parvati Parameshwarau. I want to repeat a shloka for Kalidasa, please. Vagardhau Iva Samprukhtau Yeah, it's a mistake.
Yeah.
Okay.
Vagardhau.
Vagardhau.
Iva sampruktau.
Eva Sampruktau.
Iva sampruktau. Vag.
Vag.
Vagardha.
Vagartha.
Pratipattaye.
Pratipattaye.
Jagatah pitarau.
Jagataha Pitarau.
Vande.
Vande.
Parvati.
Parvati.
Parameshwarau.
Parameshwarau.
Parvati pa.
Parvati Parameshwarau.
Acharya ji,
Vyasam.
Pitaro means parents or fathers.
Now you tell me, what is Pitarau? Up to what knowledge we have, Pitarau?
Fathers.
Two fathers, na? Pita, Pitarau, Pitaraha. Pitru Shabda.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. In Dvandva Samasa, in Samasa's concept, if two things are there, we call it as Pitarau only. Mata, Pitarau. No need of telling Mata. Pitarau means Mata will include.
Okay.
Bhratarau, two brothers. Rama, Lakshmanau, in which Rama and Lakshmana are required. In Mata, Pitarau, Mata is not required because Mata is inculcated half of the father. Pitarau means Mata, Pitarau.
Pitarau is like two people, two parents, two parents.
Two parents. They are actually one, Pitarau, mother and father.
Mother and father, but this is like Dvitiya Vibhakti or?
This is a samasa, Dvandva samasa.
Okay.
This samasa where Mata Pitarau becomes Pitarau.
Ah,
Actually,
okay.
it should be Mata Pitarau. But Pitarau is enough for understanding parents. You can derive meaning as two fathers also. The original meaning is Shiva Parvati only. Ardhanarishwara Swarupa. We can derive another meaning like Vishnu and Shiva also. But that's this little different part. But this is Kalidas. Such a beautiful poet. Wonderful poet. Okay, Swami. Once again. Vagardha viva sampruktau. Vagardha
Vagadha Sampruktau.
Vagardha pratipattaye. Vagardha pratipattaye. Jagataha pitarau vande.
Jagataha Pitarau Vande.
Parvati Parameshwarau.
Parvati Parameshwarau.
So if we continue like this, if you look at the shloka, you'll be able to understand. Oh, this is what? Okay, this is the meaning of it.
So Acharya ji, Pratipattaye, how is that achieved? Like
Pratipatti is getting.
Okay.
Pratipatti is getting. Pratipattaye, haraye, for getting. For getting the knowledge of words and meanings. I'm just praying to the people who are associated like word and meaning. Those are my parents of the universe. To them I salute. Okay, so if you have any doubts in today's sessions or previous sessions, yes, let's talk for some time and we'll conclude today.
Acharya ji, last one, was it posted? I didn't see it in the YouTube last.
No, today he is posting today. He's in the
okay.
being processed.
Okay.
So here Pitarau is Guravo.
No. Pitarau is like Mata Pitarau. Mata cha Pita cha Pitarau. It is a Dvandva Samasa. The next stage we'll talk in next classes.
Parvati Parameshwarau.
Parvati Parameshwarau Dvandva Samasa. Rama Lakshmanau.
Oh, that's all Dvandva Samasa.
Dvandva Samasa and Dvivachana also. It comes on Dvandva means two. It falls in Dvivachana.
Second, Dvivachana.
So Mata cha Pita cha Mata Pitarau also. Ramascha Lakshmanascha Rama Lakshmanau. Bhimaha cha Arjunaha cha
Bhima Arjuna.
Fantastic. Nakulascha Sahadevascha
Nakula Sahadeva.
Sahadeva.
Nakula Sahadevau. Balaramaha cha Krishnaha cha.
No.
Yamaha cha Narayanaha cha.
Narayana.
Yamanarayana. Very good. What we can say? Vasudha. Let me. Lakshma Reddischa Bhikshapatischa. Lakshma Bhikshapati, because Hari Hari. In Hari Shabda, Ikaranta, Dvivachana is Hari. If it is Ikaranta Shabda, Bhikshapati, then Dvivachana is Lakshma Reddischa Bhikshapatischa. Lakshma Reddy Bhikshapati. Dirgam. Bhanuscha Vishnuscha.
Bhanuscha Vishnu.
How? Vishnu. Ukaranta Pumbinga Dvivachanam. Ukaranta Pumbinga Dvivachanam. Guru. Bhanuscha Vishnuscha. Bhanu Vishnu. Dvivachanam should be remembered. So Dvandva Samasa falls in Dvivachanam only. Pruktau. Who is that? Who is that talking? Vak Artha Pratipattaye. Jagataha Pitarau Vande
Parvati Parameshwaro.
Who is that? Swami Venkat Ramakrishnan ji? Is it that?
Pitarau Vande Parvati Parameshwaro.
Who is his iPhone?
Yeah, it's iPhone, but I don't know who it is.
Voice having a very good bass. Okay. Okay, so any previous or doubts in this? Today we learned Vagarthaya Samprukta Shlokam, Vidya Dadati Shlokam, and story about a bird. Nice story, na today?
Yeah, Dinacharya was interesting.
Yeah, Dinacharya was interesting. Today we talked in Sanskritam. We'll continue like this. Every day, few concepts in Sanskritam we'll discuss in Sanskrit talkings. And in some
Acharya ji, for aham, what are the other synonyms?
Aham is the only one. Why synonyms for I?
There's no other way to say it?
Okay, tell me synonyms for I in English.
I, me.
Okay.
Myself.
I is different, me is different. We use those words in common sentences as people will understand. But every word has a different meaning. No? I is
no, in Hindi also, you know, hum, my, and there is a difference, right? Like
hum is plural.
No, but hum is also they use it as an individual.
What people will use as if people are understanding the language, not grammatically perfect.
So only aham is the proper.
Aham is me. Mama is mine.
Okay.
Aham gachami, I am going. Idam mama, this is mine. Mat pustakam, my book. Mat belongs to me. Mat pustakam. Mama pustakam, my book. Mama deshaha, my country. Aham deshiyaha. Aham, I belong to a countryside. I'm a countryman. Aham is simply me. If it is belong to aham, it becomes mama.
Okay.
Tvam is you. If something belongs to you, it becomes tava. Aham mama. Tvam tava.
Okay.
What is Tvai? Tvai?
Tvayi, in you.
In you. Tvai.
Tvayi sarvam sakalam kushalam. You have all good. Tvayi jnanam vartate. You have a knowledge. Tvayi vidya. Tvayi vak vartate. You have a speech. Tvayi tava. Tvayi in you.
Tvai bhaktim achanchalam.
Tvayi. I have a devotion in you which is achanchala, which is stable. Tvayi bhakti achanchala. Okay, Swami. So
Thank you.
Good class today. Thank you very much. You all participated well. Okay. Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram.
Malda Mata, Vande Mataram. Narayan Pai ji.
Vande
Shubha
Mataram.
Vande Mataram.
Have a good daily routine this time, and next week we'll have a very better routine next class.
Yes.
Uttam.
We will learn the word ditto next time.